Hello, in this tutorial I'm going to talk about the relational operators. So I will show you how to use the relational operators in R. We have six, sorry. We have six different operators. We have less than, greater than, less than or equal to, greater than or equal to, and not equal to. So let's start from less than. In R, if you want to insert a comment in your script, you can use the hashtag. If there is an hashtag at the beginning of your line, and if you run the line, there is no result. So I will insert a comment. So in this part of our script, we will perform commands about the operator less than. So I want to check if 3 is less than 4. I run the line and the result is true. 3 less than 11, true. 9 less than 7, false. I can use also variables. For example, I can store the number in a variable. So if y less than x, true, because it's the same to perform 777 less than 999. So now I will show you how to use greater than. It is the same, just I will change the direction of this operator. For greater than 1, true. For 11 greater than 9, true. Y greater than x, false. Less than or equal to. It is the same of this operator, but just add the equal. Three less than or equal to 4, true. 3 less than or equal to 11, true. Y less than or equal to x, true. For example, 27 less than or equal to 27, true. So now greater than or equal to. It is the same, but in this case we will add the equal. So 4 greater than or equal to 1, true. 11 greater than or equal to 9, true. Y greater than or equal to x, false. And 55 greater than or equal to 55, true. Equal to, as you can see, you can perform the equal to in R by using double equal. So 91 equal to 73, false. Y equal to x, false. 0 equal to 0, true. 49 equal to 49, true. And the last one, not equal to, and you can perform it by using the exclamation point and the symbol of equal. Three not equal 0, true. 7 not equal 19. 23 not equal 23, false. That's all. See you in the next video tutorial.